Good morning, my kindergarten friends. This is Mrs. Gorski again, and I'm in a video where you're not going to really be seeing my face again, but you're going to be seeing my hands. This activity is a great one that we're going to continue with our counting. Now, I know I've been doing some stories, maybe in your Google Meets or also on my videos that are going to be talking about counting. And we're going to be counting mainly to 10 to start, but by the end of kindergarten, we're going to be going a lot further than 10. But we're going to be starting very simple today. I'm going to be using a very important tool that kindergarten uses a lot, and that is called a 10 frame. And if you see this right here in front of me, the reason why we call it a 10 frame is because it looks like a large rectangle, and inside you're going to find 10 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when we use these, this helps us count and sort what we are counting, just like we were talking about sorting the other day. So what I have here, I have a group of cubes, okay? And we could have a lot of fun connecting them and working with them in other ways, but today we're going to be counting them. And we're going to be doing an activity called grab and count. So that means I'm going to be using my hand to grab a few cubes inside this container and put them on my 10 frame. So watch as I do that, and you can count with me. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to take a little kindergarten handful, and notice how I'm shaking off, making sure no cubes are stuck to my hand, and I'm going to put them at the bottom of my 10 frame. Now, it's important when you're in kindergarten that you have to take your time and count. So the reason why I'm using the 10 frame is because it's giving each one of your cubes a space to go. So watch as I do that. 1, 2, 3. Let me count those again. 1, 2, 3. Now notice how I did that. It was so much easier for me to do it than to have a blank page and try and count, and things could get a little messed. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and clear my mat, and I'm going to go ahead and start again. So here we go. Shake it off. Put them down. And now I'm ready to count again. Here I go. 1, 2. So notice I grabbed a different amount this time. 1, 2. Now I hope this time when I do it, you're going to be counting with me. Ready? Shake that off. Oh, here I go. Oh, see how they stuck together a little bit? Now, I have a lot more than I did in the past. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, look, I took up 5 spaces on my 10 frame. Let me count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me clear it. Let's try 1 or 2 more times. I hope you're counting with me again. Ooh, I think we might have more this time. Oh, I took a big handful. Okay, let's put them on our mat. I hope you can count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This time I had to start on my second row in my 10 frame. Let's see if you could count to 6 again with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's try one more. Oh, I'm going to try to get a big handful this time. Oh, I think, here we go. Oh, I got a big one this time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I had to use my second row, my 10 frame again. Let's count to 7 together again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Thank you, my kindergarten friends, for playing along with me and counting. Now, this could be a little message for your mom and dad. This is a very simple tool that actually could be made at home. So like I said before, a 10 frame is a really important kindergarten counting tool. So it could easily be made by drawing a large rectangle on a piece of paper and making 10 squares inside. So maybe you can do some more grab and count at home. All right, thank you so much for listening, my kindergarten friends, and I'll see you again soon.